Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today I want to do a unboxing of this Crom, C-R-O-M micro ratchet. Jeff's Garage Adventures reviewed this the other day. He showed us, and I thought it was pretty cool. I got it 20 bucks off Amazon. See the part number? It's item 50005. And this thing is the size, it looks like, of 2 packs of gum. Sorry about the glare. Stacked upon each other. Like, this is my iPhone 12. That's my iPhone 12. So, this is my Icon knife. So I kind of want to show you how small it is. I mean, right now this is a Titan 1/4 inch swivel head ratchet. This is the smallest one I have in my fleet. This was also a recommendation by Jeff a while ago. I also got this off of Amazon. And this is the Icon kit, the 1/4 inch set that everybody knows and loves. This is about like 40 bucks. And there we go. So this is the set of Icon. This is their smallest 1/4 inch set with all the bits. So let's put that to the side. We're gonna open this up. This is sealed like a package. So take the cellophane off. Close the knife. And by the way, this is the Icon knife. My sister got it for me. Harbor Freight sells this. This thing is awesome. It's super sharp. I believe it's a remake of somebody else. I don't know. I want to say Gerber, or Sheffield, but don't hold me to it. Or it's a clone copy, but it's a good knife. All right. So let's okay, open it up. Wow, that's small. Wow. The GoPro does not even do this justice to how small this is. Wow. That is micro. I have small hands for a man. Look at the size of my finger. That is crazy small. That is crazy small. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That is crazy small. That is wild. That is wild. You put the extension on there, you can put your bits in. You have a small little ratchet. I mean, I guess if the this would be good if you're like working on, like, I guess like a dashboard or computers. I mean, that is just, I can't believe how small. That is crazy small. I cannot believe that. I mean, this doesn't come with bits, but it takes any, I mean, it takes any kind of standard bit, any 1/4 inch hex bit, it will take. That is, wow, that is small. That is small. Wow. That is small. That is amazing. Wow. That is crazy small. Wow. Then you can do the pass through, and if you want to like put a socket on it, you can. Like a 1/4 inch socket. I don't have one on me, but you should be able to. And you have like a little ratchet. That is crazy. Wow. That is amazing. That is so small. Wow. You know what also this would be good for? If you're working on RC cars. If you're like into hobbies and stuff, RC cars, boats, planes. That is amazing. So, like I said, it was 20 bucks off Amazon. I ordered it yesterday and I got it today through Prime. So, this is the Crom 1/4 inch micro ratchet. That is amazing. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like. I appreciate it. Trying to help grow the channel. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye.